When you venture out into the world, you may find yourself in a job or a community or a social setting where you will be pressured to endorse ideas you don't believe or to abandon core beliefs. It will be up to you to speak out.
That was Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito speaking earlier this month to graduates of Franciscan University of Steubenville, Ohio, one of the spiritual centers of the anti-abortion movement. The school consistently ranked as one of the most conservative colleges in America. Its website stresses time and time again how central the school has been in the long movement to criminalize abortion in America since Roe v. Wade. Little did we know then that Alito's family had already lived out his advice in their own Northern Virginia community right after the January 6th insurrection, as the Supreme Court was considering an election case, by flying the United States flag upside down on the front lawn of their house, a perversely anti-patriotic symbol adopted by Donald Trump's Stop the Steal supporters to protest Joe Biden's victory. An open nod to the insurrectionists. That's shocking behavior out of a sitting Supreme Court justice. It's all the more shocking because Alito didn't dispute what the inverted flag stood for. In an email statement to the New York Times, he just said it was his wife's idea to fly it to troll the libs in their neighborhood over their own yard signs. Almost sounds like Alito is saying he'd found himself in a social setting being pressured to endorse ideas he didn't believe. But then the news broke about some stock trades Alito made last summer. That August, there was that hokey performative right-wing effort to boycott Bud Light because the company had provided a single trans influencer with one can of beer. It's a little hard to remember just what a crazy cause celeb the Bud Light boycott became in the MAGA fever swamps. But here, let a heavily armed Kid Rock remind you.
Bud Light and Anheuser-Busch. Have a terrific day.
Now, while that boycott was raging last August, according to a search of financial records by legal reporter Chris Geidner, Justice Alito sold a chunk of stock in Bud Light's parent company, Anheuser-Busch, and he bought shares of Coors on the same day. Kid Rock was out shooting up Bud Light cases, and Sam Alito was selling his Anheuser-Busch stock. Now, you could say, well, I don't know, maybe just a coincidence. If it weren't for everything else we know about Sam Alito, the guy who just got an honorary degree, a standing ovation from a conservative Christian college for authoring the Dobbs decision that finally undid Roe v. Wade. A decision that curiously got leaked ahead of time, the full text of it, just like the Hobby Lobby decision, apparently, that he authored, that gave businesses the right to impose their religious beliefs on employees. In fact, the more you examine Alito's public comments, not just in his decisions, but in oral arguments before the court, like the immunity arguments a few weeks ago, in public speeches at conservative schools and organizations like the Federalist Society, the more he looks and sounds like what I think he is, a far-right, MAGA-loving extremist. There's millions of them in America. And nothing more explicitly confirms that than the fact that Alito and his wife apparently flew the symbol of an anti-democratic extremist movement over their own home.